Cool, stand at ease. Attention. Good morning. Today's assembly program is presented by class 9th. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Pray.
बस जाए अंधेरी दुनिया तू परम ज्योति जगा दूंगा बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर मन आकाश में हमारा घर होके हमारा कर्म होगा सदा ही मान होगा सूरत जल मारूंगा वतन की वास्ते जीना वतन की वास्ते मरना वतन पर जा दया कर मुझे परमात्मा दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शरीरं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
Pledge.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thought.
All of you. I am student of class 9th A. Today I am hereby presenting thought. Today's thought is it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. I repeat my thought. Today it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Thank you and have a nice day.
Stand at ease. Attention. News.
Good morning. Today's news is brought to you by Sahil from 9th A class. First, some national news. India's President Ramnath Kovind to visit Ayodhya via train to Ram Temple construction site. Kerala records over 24,000 COVID-19 cases for second time since May 26. Then some international news. Taliban issued new warning against evacuation of skilled Afghans as deadlines looms. Taliban say no evacuation extension as G7 meets on Afghans' crisis. Now some sports news. Tokyo Olympic hockey stars Harmanpreet Singh, Gurjeet Kaur and PR Srijesh in short list for FIH award. Javelin thrower Tek Chand leads India's charge during opening ceremony. Now some weather report. Sirsa's maximum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Thanks and have a nice day.
Stand at ease. Attention. New word.
Good morning. Today's new word is brought to you by a member of class 9th. Today's new word in English is bargaining, meaning costing less than expected. Sentence: don't miss the best and bargain sunglasses in the supermarket. सुप्रभात। आज का हिंदी में नया शब्द है अनायास, अर्थात बिना मेहनत के। वाक्य: व्याकरण जानने पर शुद्ध भाषा लिखना अनायास आ जाता है। Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Stand at ease. Attention. Special item.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Mahi Goyat from class 9th A, and today I am going to tell you about Telangana culture and tradition. Telangana culture and tradition have fascinated art and history lovers all across the country. The 29th state of India, Telangana, was formed on 2nd June 2014. The word Telangana is derived from the word Trelangana. This is because, according to legend, the ligams of Hindu deity Shiva was found on three mountains that line Telangana boundaries: Kaleshwaram, Srisailam, and Draksharamam. When it comes to art and culture, Telangana is among the most creative states in India. One of the most famous art forms developed right since the 16th century is the Golconda style, involving the use of bright gold and a dash of white. This method blends foreign techniques. Another famous form is the Hyderabadi style, which emerged under the Nizami influence around the 17th century. Dokra is also an amazing art form whereby skilled artisans use brass to make spectacular figurines, ideals of god and goddesses, elephants, horses, and other animals. When it comes to music and dance, there is a diverse variation in Telangana culture and tradition. Pirini Thandavam is a traditional Telangana dance form name and is generally performed by manfolk, meaning the dance of warriors. The performance depicts the dance of warriors in the presence of Shiva idol prior to heading out for battle. Let's know something about the languages of Telangana, which is the most important part of Telangana culture and tradition. Prior to 1948, the official language of Telangana state was Urdu. Owing to this, back then, the educated elite of the state were all Urdu speakers. Today, 76% population of Telangana speaks Telugu, 12% of population of Telangana speaks Urdu, and the remaining 12% speaks other languages known as Hyderabadi Hindi. An eclectic mix of Hindi and Urdu is also spoken here. The endearing Hyderabadi Hindi is among the most fascinating languages spoken anywhere in the world. At last, I would like to tell you about the religion of Telangana state. Up till the 6th century, Buddhism was the dominant religion. Currently, the major religions of Telangana are Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity, with Hinduism being the most followed religion among these. The main deities of Hinduism are Vishnu, Shiva, Ganpati, and Hanuman. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
School. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand. Community song.
गुजराती गीत आकाश गंगा सूर्य चंद्र तारा।
बहुत सुंदर, आप लोगों ने अच्छी प्रस्तुति दी है। मैं देख रहा हूँ दिन ब दिन अच्छा कार्यक्रम आप लोग कर रहे हैं। 9th ए के बच्चों ने पिछले 3 दिन में लगातार इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है और एक से एक सुंदर कार्यक्रम आप लोग कर रहे हैं। तो आज की प्रेयर में भी सभी गतिविधियां बहुत सुंदर ढंग से तैयारी के साथ आप बच्चों ने परफॉर्म की। बच्चों, इसमें आप जन्मदिन और शामिल कर सकते हैं जो हम प्रेयर में करते थे। अगर किसी बच्चे का बर्थडे है, आप पता कर सकते हैं अपने लेवल पर, या क्लास टीचर भी पता कर सकते हैं, और उस बच्चे को भी हम यहाँ सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं, उसके बर्थडे को भी। तो इसको भी आप, अगर आता है कोई जन्मदिन किसी बच्चे का, तो शामिल करें। और इसके अलावा आज का सुविचार बहुत सुंदर था। किसी को भी हराना आसान है लेकिन जीतना बहुत मुश्किल है। आप बच्चों ने एक तरह से दिल जीत लिया है। बहुत सुंदर प्रार्थना सुबह सुबह आप लोग कर रहे हैं। तो मैं कहूँगा कि इसी तरह से हम इस प्रयास को जारी रखें और नवी ए ने जो एक स्टैंडर्ड तय किया है, आगे भी बाकी बच्चे उसको कंटिन्यू कर पाएं। तो बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप बच्चों के लिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच। शायद प्रिंसिपल सर भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। सर से अनुरोध है, सर बच्चों को कुछ उत्साहवर्धन करें, शुभाशीष दें। माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय।
Good morning to all of you. Really, it was a nice assembly done by class 9th A, and really we have improved a lot. And you, as Mr. Rajiv Swami said, that you have set some standards, and it is a challenge for other teachers and students that they should maintain at least this standard of our morning online assembly. So my best wishes and blessings with you, and sky is the limit. So keep improving, and we will definitely do our best. We are putting our best efforts, so definitely we will do our best. So my best wishes with all of you. आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई, शुभकामनाएं। हम सभी अच्छा प्रयास कर रहे हैं और आगे भी करते रहेंगे। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। थैंक यू।